In today's Fusion Electronics dive-in, I want to show you how to replace a number of components in one stroke. The easiest way is to use the design manager, maybe the filter tool and the inspector. So you see my schematic here, and what I would like to do is I would like to replace some of these capacitors C1 and C2 and C3. I would like to use another package for them. So what I do first is I go into the design manager. Just let me hide the data panel, increase the size of the design manager, and now I could of course go there and simply choose these three parts, C1, 2, 3. But I would also like to show you how to work with the filter tool. So I click to filter here, and now I want to have an object type, and I would say, okay, it is a part, and I would add an additional criteria and say the name of the component is something with C, and let's take the asterisk for more flexibility. And now you see the list changes here, and I can sort it by name just to be sure. And now I want to change C1, C2 and C3. You see all of them, they have different packages, and first step is done. And now I go into the inspector. It's hidden here on the right hand side in my window. Just let me open it. Here it is. And now you see the selection I have here. Let me increase the size a bit. So you see the selection again, selected objects. And if you scroll down here, you see some quick actions. And if I simply select them all again, I could go there and you see replace part with different device. Now I click this action, the add dialog pops up. Yes, and I would like to use, let's say 0805 for example. And now simply click OK. And now there's a question. Yes, the technology is unnamed in the part I'm used in my schematic, and the new technology is an underscore. I say yes, that's okay in the 1206, and that's the same with the second and the third capacitor I want to change, and now they are changed. If you go there, you see the device name and the gates are updated. If I go into the board, of course, we also will see changes. Okay, I haven't shown you before, but you see C1, 2 and 3, they're all the same now. So it's easy to replace a number of components very easily in Fusion Electronics. Thanks for watching.